Video I will be showing you how to make a real estate agent website. The platform that we'll be using to create our website is Wix. And the reason why I recommend Wix Website Builder is because you can get started for completely free and it is beginner friendly. So you're going to go onto wix.com and from there you're going to create an account using your email address. After creating your account, I want you to tap on Create on Wix Editor. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you are going to tap on Set Up Without AI. After selecting Set Up Without AI, from here, you are going to tap on the search bar and you are going to type in Real Estate Agent and you can see it right here. We'll select Real Estate Agent. After you have done that, you are going to tap on Continue. Once you have tapped on Continue, you're going to wait a few seconds while your dashboard is being prepared. Once your dashboard has been prepared, all you'll need to do now is enter the name for your site. So for example, I will call it Test Real Estate. So I will type that in real quick. After doing that, you're going to tap on Continue. Once you have tapped on Continue, you can choose whichever one of these options best describes the goals of your site. So for example, we will be offering a service, so I'll select that. You can also choose to promote yourself right there, and you can choose whether you will be promoting a business. Then from there, you're going to tap on Continue in the bottom right hand corner. After you have done that, you can see the different apps right here that you can offer. So the first option would be the booking app, as this will allow your clients to schedule an appointment through your website. And this is definitely important as a real estate agent. Another thing that you can also choose is you can scroll down, and if it is a case that you would like to add forms, you could do that by tapping on forms. And more than likely, it is a modern age now, so you're going to want to add your Instagram feed also, so that your prospective clients can also see the projects that you're working on and so on. So we're going to select Instagram feed. If it is a case that you would like to add any other feature, you can select it right here. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Continue. Once you have tapped on Continue, all I want you to do now is tap on Go to Dashboard. After selecting Go to Dashboard, you'll go over to the left-hand menu option, and from here, you're going to hover over Catalog. Then you're going to select Booking Services. After selecting Booking Services, from here you can see some recommended services that you can choose from, or you could tap on Start from Scratch and you can set up the different services that you'll be offering. So let's say for example, I tap on Start from Scratch, and one of the services that I'll be offering, for example, will be Open House Visit. So you can type in Open House right here. After you have done that, you could upload an image, a cover image. Then you could add a quick description. Then you can scroll down and you could add the duration for the service. Then after doing that, you can choose whether it is a fee that the customer will pay per session, a plan, or per session with a plan, or you can choose whether it is free. So you can tap right where you see fixed price type, and you can tap on free right there if you would like to offer this service for free. So let's say for example, it is a consultation for new home buyers and you would like to offer the consultation for free, you can select free right there. If not, if it is a thing that they'll have to pay a cost, you can type in the amount right there. Once they are finished, you can scroll down, and from here you can also choose the location. So again, let's say for example we were setting up consultation. You more than likely could offer the consultation via video conferencing. So for example Zoom or so on. You could simply tap on add right here. So instead of it being at a location, you'll simply add video conferencing. Another thing that you can also do with the Wix platform, you can add staff members. So let's say for example you would like to add a staff member instead of you personally fulfilling all of the services. You could tap on add staff and you could add the staff member name. Once you're finished customizing the different services you want to offer, you can tap on save in the top right hand corner. Now after you have added the services that you want to offer, all you'll need to do now is simply go over to the top left hand corner and you are going to tap on Getting Paid. After selecting Getting Paid, you are going to tap on Connect Payment Method. Depending on the country you are located in, you will see different payment options. For example, I'm located in Jamaica, so you can see right here that I'll only be able to set up TillerPay, PayPal, but if I were to change my website location to, for example, United States, you will realize that I'm now able to offer more options. So let me do that real quick. Then tap on Choose. And from here, you will see that I can now offer Wix payment method. And if I were to tap on See More Payment Options, you can see that I'll also be able to offer AAA, Afterpay, Affirm, and so much more. So it all depends on the location that you have chosen. After you have finished doing that, all you'll need to do now is tap on Set Up in the top left hand corner. And by the way, to view your booking calendar in the future, you'll tap on Booking Calendar. It is the fourth icon from the left hand menu option, and you could tap on Calendar right there. And this is how your booking calendar will look, as you can see right here. And the beautiful thing about Wix Website Builder, they also offer a mobile app, so you'll be able to monitor your booking on the go. You can tap on Setup in the top left hand corner. Then we're going to tap on Design Site in the top right hand corner. And I want you to tap on Pick a Template. After selecting Pick a Template, you'll be redirected to this page. Once on this page, all you'll need to do is tap right where you see the search icon in the top right hand corner, and we're going to type in real estate real quick and select real estate agent. After you have done that, you can see we have approximately 100 different themes that we can choose from. So you can scroll down and you could change the title right here from real estate to something else, and you'll see even more themes that you can choose from. But let's say, for example, I want to use this one. I'll tap on Edit. After you have tapped on Edit, you're going to give it a few seconds and you'll be redirected to the editor page. Once on the editor page, you're going to see a pop-up box appear. You could choose to type in some information right here, and you could select Generate Site Text, and the Wix AI will compose article or content that can be quickly added to your website. But normally I would close the pop-up box, tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner, and this is how our website looks at the moment. Now to start editing it, all you'll need to do is tap on the section you would like to change. So to change the name in the header section, I will select it, then tap on Edit Text, and from there I could type in my name for example's sake. After doing that, you can do that with each section, so you could tap here, Edit Text, and then you can change it to whatever you want. And by scrolling down, you can choose to change the image. You could tap on the image right here. Then from there, you can see change background. You could change the background right there. And you can tap on each pic and you'll be able to quickly change it, as you can see right there. Once you're finished making the changes to that page, you can scroll down and you can change the About Me section, and you can edit each section. And to view all the pages that are on your website, you will tap on Home in the top left hand corner, and from there you can tap on, for example, Services, and you'll be able to see all the pages, so you can see how the service page looks. And if it is a case that you would like to add an element or feature to the website that you don't see, all you'll need to do is tap on the plus in the top left hand corner, and from there you can drag and drop any feature that you want. So you can see the different features right here that you can quickly add. So there are numerous features that you can add, as you can see right here. You can add Google Maps. So for example, I could add the Google Maps to the About Us section right here. So if I were to go back and tap on About, so let's say I wanted to add Google Maps so that my customers will know where our shop is located, I could simply go over to the top left hand corner, tap on the plus, then from there I could select Maps, and all I would need to do now is simply drag and place the map. So let's say I were to drag and place the map right there. After you have dragged and placed the map, you can edit it. So I could make it smaller, or I could simply add a new section. So let me do that real quick. So I'm going to delete this and I'm going to simply add a new section right here. To add a section, all you'll need to do is scroll down, then you'll see the option add section, and you can simply tap right there. After you have tapped there, you'll tap on blank section from the top left hand corner. After we have tapped on blank section, we're going to tap on the plus in the top left hand corner, and I'm going to drag and place the maps right here. After you have done that, all you'll need to do now, you could increase the size of the map. After you have done that, you could tap on manage locations, and from here you could type in your shop address, for example. So now when someone comes onto your website and goes onto the About Us section, they'll be able to see where your shop is located. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Save in the top right hand corner. Then you can tap on Preview to see how it looks. And if it is to your liking, you'll tap on Publish. Keep in mind that if you're planning to collect any form of payment through your Wix website, you will need to go onto their paid plan. But their paid plan is quite affordable, as it starts off at $17 per month, and it is definitely worth it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.